and welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Good, so now I managed to reproduce a crash that I wanted to investigate in the previous session, but didn't get to because I forgot how to reproduce it, but now I got it, so that's good. So we can see what is going on. Let me copy the call stack. Let me put a notepad here. Good, so what do we have? So, multiplayer, move to, yeah. I see. Okay, so a simple fix here is to test AI for null, right? And if it's null, then continue. That's a simple fix, but I think the problem is also higher up. Let's think about this. Okay, well, I can already place a bookmark here. Okay. I need to think about this. Okay, let me search for formation. Yeah. actually, yeah. Okay. I see. Dream logic. No formation. Code ID. Okay. Group formation. I see. Yeah. Yeah. I think I know how to fix this. Well, we cannot touch this code because touching this would mismatch the game, right? So position. Create team. Create. No, that's not it. Oof. That's a lot. Add. Equip add. Where's this called? Oh, that name is unfortunate. Probably will be hard to find. Always selectable. Oh, add. Special power. It's not straightforward to me what to do here. Um, Open folder. Okay. AI group. AI group. Okay, looks like it's passing down here, so we cannot jump to AI group. Interesting. Select. Yeah, I think in code we simply fix it by adding null check. Yeah, the real fix is in data. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a bit baffled by how is the AI group actually created? Is it just this add function and then one after another you add those objects? But then it's weird because there are only so few calls. Well, there's select object. Is mass selectable? Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Create group, destroy group. How does that work? Squad from AI group. Okay. Select objects. This is deep in game logic. As touching anything here carries grand risk of mismatch. So I really, yeah, I think, yeah, I think the easiest is to just skip here. Yeah, yeah, skip this bullshit. Yeah. Continue. Ah, I can't type. Disabled health. Spikers at bugfix. Um, should we maybe add an assert? Yeah. Move vehicle to pause. Oops. Why did that not work? Move vehicle to position. There we go. If not is weak. Interesting. Here they have all sorts of checks. Get AI is doing ground movement. Huh. I may copy this here. That's interesting. Move infantry. Get AI. Kind of. AI is also yeah, the other movement functions, they have a lot more checks. This one has less. Yeah. So this guy is also checked here, plus a bunch more things. Get AI. Execute ground path. But this code is so much here. Number infantry larger than 6, close enough. What? Ah, okay. Infantry. Okay. Is doing ground movement. Is doing ground movement. Is doing ground. Is doing ground movement. Does this also apply to planes? Huh. Is doing ground movement. Okay. No locomotor. Is doing ground movement. Is there one that says is doing movement? No. Is doing ground movement. Not moving. Okay. Oof, this code is quite delicate here. Yeah. Okay, let me put a debug. It's doing ground movement. I think it's doing ground movement is a bit of a risky call. If we add that, yeah, maybe. Mob Nexus. Kind of Mob Nexus. Jesus Christ. Oh. Move freak. I see it's getting filtered here and it's not making it into ether. And ether 2, what is that? No idea. Ether, identity. For ether. Okay. It's just a copy. In ether is made empty. Ether, okay. Yeah, okay. So in the other movement thingies, there are additional checks here. So I do wonder, is doing ground movement, is that healthy? Is doing ground movement. It's disabled by type. It's doing ground movement. Disable it. Get object. It's doing ground movement. Get AI. A question. Group attack, object private. The units. The unit is objects. Get AI update. Oh. So get AI and AI update interface returns the same shit. What? Special case for the AI update interface since it will be referred to a great deal. But it's the same. What? What is this? What is this? Why does it have the same name? Special case for the AI update interface. From my POV, there is still plenty left to fix until stable. Someone please explain. Or yeah, that's surprising here. Get AI update interface returns the same shit as get AI. That makes no sense. I was confused, like, okay, what is the difference between get AI and get AI update interface? I was looking around. I should have looked here straight away. Because that's surprising, yeah. That is surprising. Good. Good. Get AI equals now. Get AI update interface. It's not a virtual function. It's an inline function. So it simply just returns the same shit. Okay, what is called more often? Get AI update interface. We have 435 matches on this one. What about get AI? Get AI. Get AI has about the same. Oh, less. Ah. No, the music is stopped. Strange. Very strange. Yeah, very strange. Okay. It's doing ground. Okay, so my suggestion here for this is to say if AI equals null, continue. And if not, AI is doing ground movement. And here I'm a little bit skeptical, so I would say if not, retail compatible CSC. And if yeah. can I can leave that. Yeah. Good. And then we say add bug fix. I wonder if there should be a debug crash in here. Yeah, I think so. Okay, what's going on here? To me, it looks like it should be illegal that we try to move infantry that doesn't have AI, right? Yeah. So my suggestion here would be to add a debug crash. Attempting trying to move an object. Trying to move an object that has no AI. Update interface. It has no AI. Trying to move objects. Can we it does have a name, right? Name. Oh, names are empty. Name string. Template. Oh, that has no AI. Get templates. Get name. Name string. Name string. This name string, thing template, thing template. Get name, yeah. Okay. Name. .str. Trying to move object that has no AI. Yeah. Do the same here. Trying to move object that has no AI. You do the same here. What is this? Group moved position. Group moved position. Yeah. Somehow the music has stopped working. Group scatter. Tighten to position. Tighten to position. Yeah. Group attack objects. Group attack object private. Group attack object private. The unit get content. Compute ground path. Is that all, or is there more? I take issue with the inconsistency of these checks here, right? Like, to me, it looks like it's not well thought through. Like, one group movement action checks that, and another checks another thing, and so on. So it looks really inconsistent. I wonder if there are more bugs under the surface, right? It's possible. But I think it's too risky to touch it without. You would need to test so much stuff once you touch something here. Well, you need to test a specific action, then I guess, yeah. Yeah, the more you touch them, the more things you need to test then. Okay, but I have a better understanding now of what the intention here is, yeah. Kind of. Yeah. Group scatter is movement. Tighten to position is movement. Compute ground pass seems to be movement. It says move to given positions, but can we trust those comments? I don't know. Does it move something? Trying to move object. I'm not sure about this here. Move infantry, that's certainly movement. Move vehicle as well. Move to position as well. Scatter, yeah. Okay, it's only the compute ground path. I'm not sure. Let me see who's calling this guy. What is compute ground path doing then? Is it pos in outs? It's a const. What is it doing? It's doing something with the AI group probably, right? Modifying the state. Yeah, here ground path. Okay, and then what does this ground path do? Who knows? Mm. Hmm. Okay, but I think that we can keep it there. Yeah. Okay, let me search for this iteration here. I would say we copy actually this, so I have it consistent with the other places. Group waypoint follow path. Yeah, waypoint follow path. Same here. I would also put this here. Move to an evacuate. I don't know if it's a good idea to do this at every place. AI. Group vital. It's quite a bit much, isn't it? Yeah. It's a bit too much. Oof, no. We shouldn't do that then. It's too much. No, I don't think we should add asserts then. That's getting out of hand. No. I thought it's just a few functions, but it looks like it's a million functions. No. Good, then what we do is we reset all this bullshit. And now the question only is, well, this one we remove as well. The question is, do we want to have this is doing ground movement thing? I'm not sure. There are many other functions that also don't check that. Is doing ground movement. I would say we don't do it. Move it. Yeah, we just do a null check here. That's it. Yeah, it's the simplest and seems to be the most correct way of dealing with this. Yeah. How do we describe this? Mm, mm. I don't think it needs a special description because all the other functions already do that as well. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. 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 Yeah. I think we just do that. That's it. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Then we should probably replicate the same in here. In generals. Yeah. Yeah. That. Hmm. Hmm. But let me look one more time if we see any other AI not being null checked in this file. Yeah. Let's review this one more time. So here it's tested. Tested. Yes. 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 Tested. Tested here. Mm-hmm. Tested. Mm-hmm. Yes. 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 Nice try, Smack-Tart. What is a Smack-Tart? Uh, Smack-Tarts. Ice. This game was really developed in the hood. Yeah. Evidence is in the comments. My secret is out. What does that mean? Set undetected defector. False. Oh, okay. Yes. 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 Jesus Christ. There's so much in this file. Did we cycle through all of them now or not? I can't remember. Maybe. Looks familiar. Yeah. Good. I suspect that this is the only place where the null check was missing. Everywhere else it seems to be, so I think this is good enough. Yeah. Good. Then I will. Yeah, let's reset these here. Good. Then we do stash. And we create a new branch. Fix. Fix formation. Crash. Gen ZH fix fix crash in AI group. This fix game crash. Okay. This change fixes a this change fixes a game crash in the repro steps. This change fixes a game crash. The repro steps are undisclosed. Call stack. I checked all other movement functions in AI group, and all of them check, all of them test AI, test the AI updates interface pointer. I checked all other and all of them test. I looked at all other movement functions. They already test correctly. Costek. Good. Labor gen ZH critical crash bug. Yeah. Stability. Actually, I didn't check. I didn't test yet if it actually does fix it. Maybe we can test that. This should fix the game crash, and this the processor and this class. The reprecepts are undisclosed to its severity. Okay, then that's it. Yeah. Then let me hide my screen. Yeah, launch the game and test the fix. Yeah. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Ah, shit, now that was not smart. Okay, looks like I need a second client. I think it works. Maybe I can confirm it by placing a breakpoint here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I can confirm that the code pass is hit and the null check is hit and everything works. Okay, cool. Then let me get back the screen. There we go. Okay, fix game crash and that. Okay. There we go. By the way, this should be also linked to Gentoo. Relates to good. What's the time? 1 hour 35. Then what we do now is we merge this guy, I think. Yeah. Okay. Let me look at the code once more. Load replay. Yep, looks good. Okay. Ah, it's meant to be merged with rebase. Let me double check the commits. Yeah. I realized we didn't add any documentation. Do we need documentation for this in code? I don't think so. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. Yeah. Good. There we go. Good. So then next, we go to main branch. We pull this. Then we create a new branch. Yeah. Fix replay menu. Replay menu. Version tests. So that is this one. Cherry pick this commit. There we go. And this one is replay matches game version. Replay matches game version. Read replay header. Replay matches game version. Actually, I would like to revert this and remove the message. Prevent missing dialog if the replay header was not recognized. So this one is a follow-up for the one we have just merged. This one. This one. Okay, follow up for that. So prevent missing older replay version dialog. Prevent missing. The title is a bit strange, isn't it? To do replicate in generals. Prevent missing. prevent missing. This change fixes fixes prevent missing older replay version dialog if the header was. Okay. This change fixes and refactors. This change fixes the recorder, fixes the function to then it fixes the function. The following problems were identified. One, the return values mismatch the EA comments. The return values mismatch with the EA comments. Two, if a replay header was not read correctly, then test version, then the function return would be as if everything was okay. If a replay header was not read correctly, then the function would return. If a replay header was not read correctly, then the function returns success. If a replay header was not read correctly, was not recognized, then the function would return success. Asterisk 2. Okay, needs more. One. The function now matches what the comment says and has been given a better name to actually explain what it does. Two, I think this is only a theoretical issue. Is it only a theoretical issue? Let me see. Replay menu. Let's search for reads reads replay header. Mm. 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 Actually, reads replay header. Yeah, so previously it did it read the replay header, the in red text here. If it failed, it returned false, and false meant that it's okay, right? Yeah. I think this is only this is only a theoretical issue. The replay would not show up in the replay lists anyway if the header if its header was not recognized, was not read correctly. Likely return values do not match what the EA comments say about it. To clarify. Tell. So I would say this is a refactor. It's a fix, but it's not really a bug. It's just a theoretical fix. Minor. Gen. ZH. Maybe we should change the title to fix logical errors in Coda class test version playback. Yeah, it doesn't have a user-facing application, but it just makes this function so hard to understand because there's just so much wrong with it, right? Yeah. Additionally, the function was split in two so that it can also be called on a replay header to be used in the next change after this. Reason being, it's expensive because it reads file on disk. It reads replay file on disk. Physical replay file on disk. Okay. Then let me put this to GenZH to do replicate in generals. Good. Okay, good. Good. We create a change for the game crash. One more change for our replay menu. After this, there will be two more. The next one will actually be the critical fix from Helmut regarding avoiding calling or loading a replay whose map we do not have installed. I think that's very important there. And then the last change will be the one that highlights it in a red color, the missing map, which is nice. Then you can see like in the replay list, I don't have this map, right? Makes it much easier to recognize. Yeah. Okay, cool. Well, there is video. There's video, but I have turned off my monitor when I tested. I think think smart people would be able to deduce the repro from the context of the crash, but most 0-hour players have, say 0-hour players have low IQ, so it should be safe. Yeah. Let's say I have blackened my screen. Yeah. Good. Anything else? There's a comment. Had a quick look. Don't test for null. They do. They do. At the top. At the top loop. In the top loop. Good. Then good progress, I would say. Yeah. Good. Then I will take a break here. It has been 2 hours. Very, very well. Very professional. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye, and keep your IQ high, of course. Right? Only watch the epic matches. Yeah, the high performance, super carnage. Yeah, because if you watch the shit, yeah, the noob matches, your IQ goes down. Right, you become stupid. Right, which is fine, because then you fit right into the general player population, right? But try to keep it smart. I have faith in you. Yeah, I think the viewers here watching those development videos, the smarter bunch, or the bunch that has no life, right? I think a better time than watch a better time of investment than watching my videos is to actually do something productive, right? So only use my videos to learn maybe something, to get into it, or education, but don't stick just watching my videos forever. I encourage you to move on and fix the game. Yeah, that's the whole purpose. Fix the game. Yeah. If you just keep watching, I mean, it's fine if you enjoy it, yeah. But obviously, there's more value if more people start fixing stuff, right? Improving the game, because the grand goal is to make 0-hour the best game ever. Yeah, and keep that in mind. Yeah, we cannot lose that objective out of sight. Yeah. So I encourage you to start developing. Yeah, fix the big bugs, the crashes, the glitches. Like for example, you could maybe investigate the control button bug with the beacon that I showed in the previous session. I wasn't able to figure out what the cause of this is exactly. Needs more investigation. Yeah, it's difficult to debug this stuff with the buttons, because when you press buttons, it pushes keys into the queue, and yeah, then becomes a mess to debug this shit. Yeah, probably need some logging or some smart breakpoints that just break on the control button. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Anyway, I think that's about it. Wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.